Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to design a modern logo, and I will also show you how to design shield as well as show in this video how to customize your logo letter. So I think if you watch this video till end, you can learn something new. So friends, make sure to watch carefully to the end, and then write in the comment section the most valuable information that you find in this tutorial. So let's watching the video. First, take a ellipse tool and draw a circle. Give it stroke color. Now copy the circle by Alt and place it here like that. Now take Line Segment tool and draw a line here like that. Move the line a little bit closer to the circle. Now copy the line by Alt and place here like that. Now select the two lines and make it middle align center and group it. Also select the two circle and make it group. Now select everything and make it middle align center. Okay, that's good. Now select the circles and ungroup it. Now copy the circle by Alt and place it a little bit upper like that. Note that the line has crossed the middle of the circle. Again, copy the circle by Alt and place it on the line like before. See that? This is our shield shape. You can customize your shield by up-down the circles like that. I choose the perfect shield that is look beautiful. I think that's good. So select everything and take Shape Builder tool. And take Fill Color and click here like that. Okay, that's great. Now move aside the shield from the lines. Now take Move tool and curve the two shield corner like that. Okay, that's good. Now delete these circles. So we have finally designed our logo shield. Now we design S letter in middle of the shield. So keep watching the video. First, take Line Segment tool and draw a line. Copy the line by Alt and take total 9 lines by hold Ctrl and pressing D. Select all lines and make it middle align center and group it. Now copy the lines by following the method. Now go transform and make it 15 degree. Now select the shield and turn off the shield fill color. Now select everything and make it middle align center. Now select the shield and increase it equal to the total 3 lines, space like that. See that you need to increase this portion from total lines both side. Now select everything and take Shape Builder tool. Now, draw S letter over the lines carefully. Do it very carefully. Okay, that's good. I have drawn S letter over here. Now select everything and take Shape Builder tool. And delete the S letter by Hold Alt. And fill up the remaining part of the shield like that. Now we add an extra part on this logo for look more beautiful. So first line segment tool and draw a line from here to here like that. Also place the line another part of S letter like this. See that? There is a gap. That's why you cannot fill it with color. So we need to join the line. So we first fill with color this part, then we solve it. Now select everything and take Shape Builder tool and draw like that. For that, take Move tool and join it like that. Again, select everything and take Shape Builder tool and fill it with color. Okay, that's good. Now select the design and move aside from the lines. Delete the lines. Now select the design and turn off the stroke color. Now we make curve the S letter corner like that for looking more good. Okay, that's fine. Now, make the logo colorful. So friends, this is our today's logo design tutorial. You can draw others' letter in the middle of shield by following this method. So how was today's tutorial? Don't forget to leave your valuable opinion about this design and ask me any question about logo design problems. Thank you.